Ever felt like you're drowning in to-do lists and missed deadlines? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, keeping track of projects can be a nightmare. That's where project management tools come in, promising to be the hero of your workday. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Two of the biggest contenders, Jira and ClickUp, both are popular, feature-rich, and promise to streamline your workflow. But which one reigns supreme? Today, we'll dive deep into the battle between Jira and ClickUp. We'll explore their strengths, weaknesses, and the nitty-gritty details that might make one a better fit for you. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's find your project management soulmate. The Agile champion, Jira. Jira's a household name in the software development world. Built with Agile methodologies in mind, it's a powerhouse for planning, tracking, and releasing software projects. Imagine a virtual whiteboard packed with features. You can create user stories, track bugs, manage sprints, and collaborate with your dev team seamlessly. Jira even boasts a robust workflow engine, allowing you to customize the entire project lifecycle to your specific needs. Power perks of Jira. Agile rockstar. Jira's core strength lies in its Agile functionality. Kanban boards, sprint planning, backlog management. It's got everything an Agile team craves. Issue tracking master. Jira excels at identifying, assigning, and resolving bugs and other project roadblocks. Reports and analytics help you stay on top of potential issues before they snowball. Integration station. Jira integrates with a vast array of popular developer tools, streamlining workflows and boosting productivity. But is Jira all sunshine and rainbows? While powerful, Jira isn't without its drawbacks. The learning curve can be steep, especially for non-technical users. The interface can feel cluttered, and customizing workflows can be time-consuming. Perhaps the biggest concern, cost. Jira's pricing scales with the number of users, making it potentially expensive for larger teams. The all-in-one contender, ClickUp. ClickUp takes a different approach. It's an all-in-one project management tool designed to cater to a wider range of teams, not just developers. Think of ClickUp as a Swiss Army knife for project management. It offers features for tasks, lists, docs, chat, goals, and even mind maps. ClickUp prides itself on being user-friendly and highly customizable. ClickUp's winning features, all under one roof. ClickUp eliminates the need for juggling multiple tools. Tasks, communication, and documentation all reside in one central location, promoting seamless collaboration. Interface like butter. ClickUp's interface is clean, intuitive, and a joy to navigate. Even new users can get up and running quickly. Customization king. ClickUp allows you to tailor almost everything to your specific needs. From custom views to automated workflows, ClickUp empowers you to work your way. ClickUp's Achilles heel? While ClickUp offers a vast array of features, some might find it overwhelming. Not everything is relevant for every project, and the sheer number of options can lead to decision fatigue. Additionally, ClickUp's Agile functionality, while present, isn't as robust as Jira's. Teams heavily reliant on Agile methodologies might find ClickUp lacking in that aspect. So, who wins the project management battle? The truth is, there's no single winner. The best tool depends on your specific needs and team dynamics. Here's a quick cheat sheet to help you decide. Choose Jira if you're a software development team heavily invested in Agile methodologies. You value robust issue tracking and deep integration with developer tools. Choose ClickUp if you need a user-friendly, all-in-one solution for various project types. You value a clean interface and extensive customization options. Remember, the best way to find your perfect fit is to try both. Most project management tools offer free trials, so take advantage of them and see which one clicks with you and your team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy project managing.